Yeah, welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, viewers and subscribers, we have some disturbing news. Because right now, you have a gang in a Fort Lauderdale, Sènd squash the entertainer. Some serious threats, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the man them attack one what them a go do and say the entertainer can't book no show, viewers and subscribers. Them say if the entertainer just put up a flyers, you know, a bang bang, viewers and subscribers. As you know, all know already, viewers and subscribers, you know the incident we go on in Fort Lauderdale with squash already. You know say the entertainer, the man they make off of him, and the entertainer pick up a shot in him hand and a glaze on him neck, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And same time, same day, Jman them go retaliate. You understand what I mean? Jman and them end up go for two man, one named Muscleman and one named Ford. But if you know the history of Muscleman and Ford, alright. Muscleman is like a hitman in a foreign. Yeah, and he is also an ex-soldier. People give him contract for go bang bang people. You understand what I mean? And Ford is a gang leader, same place in a Fort Lauderdale. And Muscle and Ford very close, viewers and subscribers. Muscle is like Ford second in the gang, viewers and subscribers. Any little bang bang Ford one for go on, and Muscleman him send viewers and subscribers. But here what the deal now is like when me hear in the whole incident, viewers and subscribers, yeah, squash them a deal with some diet coke business over there where them therefore do some transaction. And I don't know when I say diet coke, viewers and subscribers, I don't know what I mean. I know that I know the diet coke what we drink. You understand what I mean? But anyways, squash them go deal with that. Foolishness go on, viewers and subscribers, and the man them bang bang up squash. J-man them retaliate same day, viewers and subscribers. And when the man them retaliate, yeah, the man them left Muscleman and Fort flat on the ground, viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. But also in that incident, as when me hear, Muscleman also turned it on pan J-man. So J-man also get shot up in the incident. You understand? J-man drive himself go hospital in the incident, viewers and subscribers. So viewers and subscribers, I have the video where the man has saying chat and me I go make you hear, viewers and subscribers, cause this serious. You understand what I mean? And me also I go make you hear a video clip right now with the incident we go on over there exactly. You see me on the news. So just check out the video, your viewers and subscribers. I will be back. And also let me note, viewers and subscribers, that Jman is no longer with us, viewers and subscribers. Jman, yeah, him died at hospital. Yeah, them they put him on life support machine, but you understand, him just couldn't make it, viewers and subscribers. So here one, me not talk too long, viewers and subscribers. Just check out the video.
And this neighborhood sits off of Northwest 56th Avenue, south of West Oakland Park Boulevard. Police actually believe that there were 3 shooting victims. 2 of them died from their injuries, but the incident certainly has people who live here rattled. A hail of bullets from what is believed to be a semi-automatic weapon is heard on a neighbor's surveillance camera system Wednesday night. Minutes later, police rushed in and found 2 men dead from gunshot wounds.
I didn't take it for anything until I heard more shots, and then I said to myself, that sounded like a shootout. So I'm really saddened.
Many of the residents inside of the Blueberry Court development are too afraid to show their face on camera, but they tell us they feel their neighborhood is becoming more dangerous. Last night's shooting meant a section of the complex was roped off with yellow crime scene tape. The bodies of the victims were covered under a blue tarp. Investigators tell Local 10 a 3rd person was involved in the shooting, and later in the night a man showed up to a hospital in Tamarack with a gunshot wound. But detectives have not yet said if that incident is connected. The medical examiner's office is now doing its own work, which includes trying to positively ID the pair of shooting victims.
Yes, so when you hear that, viewers and subscribers, I know nothing normal go on over there, viewers and subscribers. When you hear the bang bang them, Yeah, and yo, I want to tell you say right now, I want to tell you say police are search for the entertainer, squash viewers and subscribers because you know how America stay already. They want to get down to the nitty gritty of everything. So right now, the entertainer in a problem viewers and subscribers with both the laws and both gang members. Right now, I have the video and as well I say, me not go in on a long talk in another video. I just make you see the facts viewers and subscribers. So right now, me gonna make you check out the video viewers and subscribers with a member of the gang. We want squash right now, viewers and subscribers. Send be a chat and attack everything we're going. So watch your viewers and subscribers. Just check it out right now.
You hear me? Anyway, squash go, you might get it. Jman, Rayman, Fredman, any man, you might get it in America, yeah. You see me? Man who gonna kill 2 innocent man. Big batty boy squash get licked. You see me? By the first set of man, them women are worried. Yeah? He go laps on the man and get a locks from the locomotive. Yeah? And the boy get touched. The second time now the man they make off on him. And the man they miss him. Yeah? He get touched. Now he go make illegal rub rat them go kill 2 innocent man, 2 party man, 2 original man I think from longer while. The man in the business about mobile war, the man in involved in a mobile war, the man don't know nothing about mobile war. And involved in a mobile war. Yeah? But here I go on. You are really go on make the man go touch on the man there. Yeah? You see for a long time before the thing was in a 3 and in a 4 Pastor Spring. Yeah? Everybody are the one. Then the man there who get touched a link with the first set of man them were squash brother, get corrupt and war against that damage them. Yeah? So the 2 man them will get touched. No damage side of soldier them from now. Jacksonville side. And he make squash them know say, yeah man, yeah. You see me? So, but the man ain't involved in anything. So because him get touched now, he just want to catch somebody. And he send Jman, Rayman, Fredman, he go shoot up the man them and drive away. I go to you say the man turn on a chip gap on them. Then the man get shoot up and one lick up in a boy chest and lick up in a boy neck. Yeah. Or else nobody would know how to do it. Then find out him blood on the crime scene. And then go match up the warhead or each up in a neck. If he not dead, he get charged for double murder. I mean, no say no, I'm going to take death sentence him alone. So I fully know say him go call Squashman name. No, I don't want to call Squashman name. What am I do you think? We going to hold Squashman and cut off his head. And anybody else around him. Them can't, Squashman can't do no show America and he can't go back to Jamaica. No show. Him can't do no show in America. As the flyer put up with the on crime scene. And him gonna go get it. Him gonna go lay out permanently and go on ice. Remember that. Remember that. Brawling we are tell the whole world. Everything and they will get it. 6, alright? Hey, right now I can tell you man say yo, squash. I forget it. Jman, Rayman, Fredman, all of them I forget it. And the boy they should have touched muscle. And walk out making media and people and talk like say and the man them rob them or shoot off of them. Nothing no go so man. Nothing no go so. You hear that? Corruption. Boy squash, corruption. Jman, Fredman, Rayman, all of them are running right now. Every day the boy come on media and bad about him in a gang. He in a gang, he don't know nothing about no gang. Boy, the man I tell you, man. Boy, squash man, I will get it. Put up a flyer. Anyway, in America, just put up a flyer. I say the pan no show boy. I remember say you can't go to Jamaica. Babylon don't they want you. Your so-called friend them want you. Enemy want you. In America, the worst thing you can do. I make your friend them kill Muslim man. And in charge. For what? For what? Innocent people them. For what? You get shoot up by your enemy. And you know them, the man they don't have nothing to do with mommy a war, mommy a killing, mommy a shooting. The man they know in the street. Check foot a high about them man. Now
this is your phone lad here. 55th muscle flex the whole team.
The man they know for music and party and enjoy and do what they man do. The man they hold a man phone. The man they involved in a phone foolish. The man they know people and know who and see one. The man they busy about nothing. But when you can't catch who can shoot off a one, now you're not going to put the narrative like say, and then the man they involved in a few things and he can shoot off of you or tell man where you live and all these things. That man are not busy about nothing. The man is 40 long before you ever born squash. But we gonna show you. Yeah man, you take one of our brothers man, you take one of our real brothers, one of our real friends. Yeah man, you're gonna lay down on some block of ice bro. I tell you, you're gonna get it man.
Yes, so basically what the man here say viewers and subscribers, the man here say squash them go for your wrong man viewers and subscribers. Basically what the man here say viewers and subscribers, muscle man and Fort no involved in a squash them thing. The man they don't know nothing about mobile war. The man they know about Fort Lauderdale thing viewers and subscribers. So right there so viewers and subscribers, it look like squash make a bad judgment or what, me no know viewers and subscribers. You see me? So right now the man I show you say watch channel a foolishness squash them do cause them man they a party man. Muscle man a party man. You understand what I mean? So you don't know the whole matter right there. So it just come like everything go wrong for your artist. But me don't know why viewers and subscribers. Why when the man them come to blow man get a break, alright. The man them out here and them at in a mobile. Cause you don't know film thing with shop down thing in a mobile. Plus the police them to see him with viewers and subscribers. And you go foreign and you tell me say you go with the same mentality. You don't know what it happened to Jman already out of viewers and subscribers. You know say the man them get touch up out your viewers and subscribers. Bang bang. You know say man them running pan him and pan Jman then and shut up Jman and him girlfriend get dead in an incident to viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So all them things they know viewers and subscribers and it look like Jman end up reach a squash foot over there. So especially Jman viewers and subscribers for looking at himself and know say what channel in just see what happened to him out of Jamaica. Cause as in him there foreign now. You understand what I mean? Him just get shut up at Jamaica could have lose all him live viewers and subscribers. Him for looking at himself and know say what channel, you know say this happened already and Jano I just saved me. You understand what I mean? And at the end of the day, what channel? I change over my life, but me not lie, them money not say that viewers and subscribers. As politics, what should I say? Them money not learn and them not go change them ways, viewers and subscribers, until what reach them, cause you don't know how the thing go viewers and subscribers. So right there, so John was there, it's just a pity, me Ben for know say, yo, the man them just die-hearted to them role, to badness thing overall viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So John, me don't even know if it's viewers and subscribers cause me feel away cause at the end of the day, you know, if you're looking at it, you know, I see him Jamaican, see him way, you know, you understand what I mean? And right now, I fear for squash, you know, me just hope the entertainer just make some good decisions right now. If him even make the bad decisions in the past, because you don't know the future pave the way. You understand what I mean? So, you know, as what I say, the Fort Lauderdale police want him. You understand what I mean? So, just go into them, brother. Just go into them. Anything. Kind of makes sense. You run up and down from them. Plus, you run up and down from gang. You understand what I mean? I'm foreign that. You understand? Either one side I go catch you. So just do the right thing, my brother. You understand what I mean? So viewers and subscribers, the next thing I find interested in other voice note here, viewers and subscribers. And when the man I say at the end of the day say two four them and most man them know damage and you all know say squash and damage them not to deal from out your viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you know the two side them are war viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And two the man know damage. So right there so it look like Ford muscle man viewers and subscribers both a link with damage and a link with squash them. So the man them a swing on two sides, but at the end of the day the man still a try show you say the man them no business with what go on in Jamaica. You understand what I mean? So Jano Star, this thing just set away viewers and subscribers. Yeah, this individual all I say, yo, squash can't go back and no show over there. And the entertainer can't even go back to Jamaica. Jano Star, it set away. And you don't know, our entertainer we love viewers and subscribers. Yeah, for local Jamaicans, if you understand. You understand what I mean? And you don't know, we don't want nothing to see the entertainer. So, we just want the entertainer just do the right thing, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So, right now, viewers and subscribers, it's just... Jano, I feel a way about the situation and I just hope the entertainer find a way out of this situation, viewers and subscribers, because this really looks sticky. You understand? And none of way as Jamaican really like to see what the entertainer get himself in right now, viewers and subscribers. So we just wish the best. You understand what I mean? So thank you all for everyone that reached this far in the video, viewers and subscribers. Remember to like, share, click the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload any new videos, viewers and subscribers. And respect and thanks for all our support, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you know it's Flava Media Entertainment TV in the house. Yeah, banging. That is it, viewers and subscribers. Respect, bless, manners, peace. I'm out.